So guys, today I have this lovely Rosa to show you. It has off-road parking and a pedestrian gate. It's got in an urbanisation called Campusol, near the Port of Mathron, where there are several beaches. And of course, the beach is about 20 minutes from here. And the local airport, which is Murcia International, that's about a 30-minute drive. So, easy to get to. So just inside the gate, shut the gate a moment, just show you you've got lovely gardens. Plenty of established trees and plants. Over there you've got the terrace and an enclosed conservatory there. And just here you got enough room for a couple of motorbikes and a small car. Okay. So I'm going to take you inside, show you around the main house first. Just up there is the rooftop solarium. We'll have a look at that later. So just in here is your conservatory. So this is a nice little spot in the winter to sit, have a cup of coffee and read a newspaper. Okay. The door's open on both sides, and just here you've got a sliding door which brings you out onto this lovely little terrace here where you enjoy a coffee with your friends. And then of course those steps lead down to the pool area, which we will have a look at shortly. So let me take you inside the main house first. As you can see, there are rackets with insect screens, and there is insect screens throughout this property. This property is nice, bright and airy. It's very fresh. Really lovely. So you have a log burner fire just over there, and just above you've got ceiling light and fan. This property has dual aspect windows, as you can see. So it's nice, bright and airy in here, and you have aircon. Take it from a different angle down here, and as I pan around you can see that we have a dining area over there. Just bring you over to the dining area. You also, in here, I almost missed it, you have a wall panel heater there as well. Okay, so just here you have a lovely dining area. I'll just switch on the lights here. Well, the lights are going to interfere with the camera, so I'll keep them off. But you can see and you've got a good idea, okay? I'm going to pan around for you guys. You have the kitchen there, through there. This is a Rosa Style Villa I'm showing you today. And these are good sized properties. Just in here is your kitchen, so you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got integrated electric oven and electric hob, and you've got your fridge freezer. Okay, you've also got your sink and drainer there. They have put a new electric boiler in here just the other week. Okay, I come in here and come around from the other side so you can have a look. Try not to go too fast for you guys. All right, so just take you in. This area leads to the bathroom and the bedroom. So I'm starting off with the second bedroom, which is your guest room. You have your ceiling light and fan. You've got insect screens, blackout blinds and rackets on the windows. Got your plug socket there. Just going to pan around here for you guys. And you've got your integrated storage and your double wardrobes. Okay. So good sized bedroom. You can put 2 single beds in here if you want to. Just going to take you over to, I'll say, the guest shower room. Okay. Now in a Rosa, this is where you usually have your washing machine. So it gives more space to the kitchen. Okay, this is not unusual. So just here you have your sink and vanity unit, your WC and your shower. You've also got a frosted glass window, and the bathroom or shower room is tiled from ceiling to floor. Okay, now we'll go in here. This is the master bedroom. You have integrated wardrobe with overhead storage and your double wardrobe, sliding doors. Lovely bright and airy room. You have your ceiling light and fan, and you have your aircon. Again, insect screens, blackout blinds and wreckers on the windows, you know. And this bedroom looks over the pool area. So if I pan around, so through that door is our ensuite. So let me take a look with you there. You have in the bedroom, you've got all your plug sockets and everything if you wanted to put a TV up in the bedroom. Okay. So just let's go in here. So just in here, you've got ceiling to floor tiles. You've got your bath, your shower attachment and a shower curtain with a frosted glass window. You've got your WC, your sink, and your pedestal and sink there. Your bidet, I should have said. You've got your mirror, and just there you've got an integrated wardrobe, single one. It's for your towels and all your bits and bobs for your bathroom. You've also got spotlights above there, and just above the door you've got a heater. Okay, so I'm going to take you back through, and I'm going to go out from the terrace, and I'm going to show you the pool area. So I know this is what most of you like to see. You have this lovely little nook here, nice terrace here to sit with your friends. And there is loads of gardens, and as you can see they're all divided. So the division is quite good if you have a dog, so you can keep the gates closed. So I'm going to take you down here. You've got a couple of steps down here. Beautiful established plants and trees, all in bloom, really nice. And just here is your pool area. So a nice sized pool. It is made of fiberglass, which means it doesn't need a license for that one. So just here's your barbecue area. So it's just off your terrace, so you can enjoy with some friends and family. I'm going to take you down here now, and we'll have a look down here. You've got your pump there, and you've got a pergola there as well, so you can just sit and sunbathe there. Nice area. So I'm going to take you through this gate. So you've got nice little garden areas around, and of course you've got water points everywhere as well, so you can water the plants. This is all decorative stone around here. I'm ever so sorry about the crunching. There's nothing I can do about that. I'm not God, I can't walk on air. But just here you have a nice shaded spot. So this is the shaded part of the garden. You've got some beautiful roses just through there. Now I would possibly tile all this myself and have this with a nice seating area, so when July, August comes and the sun is really hot, this is a nice shaded cool area, so you can escape the sun, but you don't need to be indoors either, you know. So beautiful garden, all established plants and trees. Got some storage areas here, and I'd probably put something here to close this off, and just have your logs there for your log burner, you know. And you have lovely roses by the driveway as well. So let me take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium, and I see you guys at the top. So I'm just at the top here, guys. You have got storage over here. Let's have a look inside. Is it open? It is. It's quite a big storage space, and that's great for your suitcases, whatever you want. And that looks down onto your garden there. The roof looks as if it's been sealed. It's quite a nice big space up here, and in the distance you got mountains. Just on here I would put a plug up here, have a fridge for your beers, and just there you can put one of those big screens and show films to your friends. And it's nice, cool and breezy up here, you know. Cool off and still have a good time. Looks like the roof has been sealed. I don't know whether I'm repeating myself here, but which is a good thing, you know. It's all been freshly decorated and painted, this property. It's in great condition. Been very well maintained. So let's go back downstairs. Hello everybody, we've got a lovely cool breeze coming, which I'm thankful for. It is really hot here in Spain now, and it's only early June. So this is a beautiful property, as you've seen. So if you're interested, the reference will be in the title of the video. The agent's details are in the description box. So when you get in contact with us, don't forget to the reference in there as well. So that allows the girls in the office to know which property you're inquiring about. So until the next time, take care, hasta luego, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.